Hey, gamers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of Black Myth, Wukong. This upcoming game has everyone talking, and for good reason. We've got 15 mind-blowing facts that will get you hyped up even more. Let's jump right in. Fact 1. Inspired by Journey to the West. Did you know Black Myth, Wukong is based on one of China's greatest literary works, Journey to the West? This classic tale, written in the 16th century, follows the Monkey King, Sun Wukong, on his epic adventures. Fact 2. Developed by Game Science Studio. This game is the brainchild of Game Science Studio, a Chinese indie developer. Despite being a relatively small team, their work on Black Myth, Wukong has caught the attention of gamers worldwide, thanks to its stunning graphics and gameplay. Fact 3. Unreal Engine 5 power. Black Myth, Wukong is powered by Unreal Engine 5, which means we're looking at next-gen graphics like never before. The game's environment, character details, and particle effects are on a whole new level. Fact 4. The 70 to transformations. In the game, Wukong can perform the 70 to transformations, just like in the original story. This allows him to shapeshift into various forms, offering unique strategies for combat and exploration. Fact 5. Real-time combat. Combat in Black Myth, Wukong is fast-paced and real-time, featuring a mix of melee, magic, and transformation-based attacks. It's designed to keep you on your toes, with a focus on skill and timing. Fact 6. Enemies inspired by Chinese mythology. The enemies you'll face in Black Myth, Wukong are inspired by Chinese mythology. From towering demons to mythical beasts, each foe is as visually stunning as they are deadly. Fact 7. Over 100 enemies. Speaking of enemies, the game features over 100 different enemy types. Each one is uniquely designed, ensuring that no two encounters feel the same. Fact 8. A vast, open world. The world of Black Myth, Wukong is massive and open for exploration. It's packed with hidden secrets, ancient temples, and breathtaking landscapes that you'll want to take your time to explore. Fact 9. The boss battles. Get ready for epic boss battles. The game features enormous, challenging bosses that will test your skills and strategy to the limit. Each boss encounter is a spectacle on its own. Fact 10. The release date mystery. While there's no official release date yet, Black Myth, Wukong has been confirmed for PC and next-gen consoles. The developers are taking their time to make sure it's perfect, and the wait will be worth it. Fact 11. Language and voice acting. The game will feature Chinese voice acting with subtitles in multiple languages. This keeps the authenticity of the story while making it accessible to a global audience. Fact 12. The trailer that broke the internet. When the first 13-minute gameplay trailer was released in August 2020, it instantly went viral, racking up millions of views in just days. It's rare for a new IP to get this much attention so quickly. Fact 13. Dynamic weather system. The game features a dynamic weather system, meaning the environment can change dramatically, affecting gameplay. Expect rain, fog, and other weather conditions that will keep you on your toes. Fact 14. Physics-based interactions. Thanks to the power of Unreal Engine 5, Black Myth, Wukong has advanced physics-based interactions. Objects in the environment react realistically to your movements and attacks, adding another layer of immersion. Fact 15. The game's philosophy. The creators of Black Myth, Wukong have a unique approach to game development. They're not just making a game, they're creating an experience that blends deep storytelling with innovative gameplay, rooted in rich Chinese culture. So there you have it, 15 incredible facts about Black Myth, Wukong. This game is shaping up to be something truly special, blending ancient mythology with cutting-edge technology. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates on this epic journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.